Today, we are talking all about travel. Yes, travel and fashion goes hand in hand. And before I jump up and tell you all the tips and tricks, I have to tell you my background in travel. I am 5 countries old and I have visited around 26 to 27 states of USA. So it's all about domestic and international travel. So I have my stories and ups and downs and experiences of traveling. And today we are talking bit of an experimental phase which I will be using and getting a pro in packing, and which will help a beginner level person who will travel to be more organized in your packing. So first of all, let's start with your carry-on luggage. So you are internationally and domestic. Whenever I travel, my travels are always around 28 hours or 24 hours, and I have to get the custom checks twice or sometimes thrice. So I have to get more organized on my every travel. And this time I am using something new which I bought from Amazon, and these are Pac N Stack vacuum airtight storage bags. Trust me, these are really helpful because I am having loads and loads of stuff, and I need to squeeze as much space I have in my bags, and this guy helps me a lot. These are super simple. They come with bags as well, and they come with a vacuum. You just put on the package, like I'll show you, like this kind of a bag. They have like a circle, and you just put it and just leave it. It will suck all the air and will make your bag like this. So this is really helpful tip. I would highly recommend everyone who is traveling and in need of space, because you have a lot of stuff and girls generally have a lot of stuff. So this is one of the necessary. So this is one of my carry-on luggage. I am not carrying any bag or a big purse or something. So because this carries load of stuff which I need. So first of all, which we need and we have to get it checked is your electronics. So I have this kind of a bag where I am stacking good amount of stuff in this. So what the trick is to buy this laptop bag a size over your laptop. So I have my MacBook here, and I'm carrying one notebook, one book to read. I am also carrying my electronic cords and chargers. So when funny story, when I was traveling last time, I actually did not got, like, one of my cords was missing. So this time I have put one rubber band on my cords, and I have packed in this kind of a transparent, because sometimes they say that if you have packed in a transparent, you can just leave it like that, and sometimes they ask you to take it out of this Ziploc bag. So this will be very helpful because you're counting, you are putting all those cords in a tray and laying your Ziploc down so that you can count how many you are taking out and how many. And if it is like jumbled up or it's open, it gets really messed up, and maybe sometimes you lose one of your cords. So this goes ahead, and I am packing here. The another important point before the travel starts is your passport. So this is the passport I have, and I usually carry in the very end of the zipper because of the uh, problematic conditions if you don't have or you lose or something. So I don't want to end up anything in that. So I keep it in a safest place in my bag. So the third thing is the sunglasses. I know that we don't wear sunglasses. Most of all, you have seen celebrities wearing sunglasses on travels, or I don't know. I think I have seen someone wearing inside the flight as well. So it's their choice. But what I do is I put my sunglasses in a hard cover, and I put it in my carry-on luggage. The fourth thing is I take one extra pair of everything, and I have taken this Ziploc to pack everything, squeeze as much air as possible, and I am putting this here. So this bag is done. The two things which are left is because I have left my coffee tumbler in one of our friends' place. So I will, this is a new thing which I'm trying this thing, is to carry an empty Starbucks or any kind of a coffee tumbler and an empty bottle of water. So why? Because every time when you get coffee in the aircrafts, first they get cold very early. So and second, the cups are so hot, and I have to every time ask for a double cup. So I don't want to do it right this time. So I want to try this, that I will ask the air hostess to just fill my coffee in my tumbler, and I'll be happy with it. The second thing is the empty water bottle which I'll be carrying, to fill the water just before you enter your aircraft, because sometimes the air hostesses are quite occupied with the amount of passengers traveling, and even if you ring the bell just for the cup of water, it takes good amount of time and you feel really thirsty, and this way you will have your own water. And definitely it is not applicable to few places where the water in the public places are not good, but when where I am traveling, the water is good in the public airports, so I will be trying out. So this is how we are packing up our first carry-on luggage. So after having packed all your personal item bag, let's go with the one additional, the carry-on baggage which you are allowed. So I have this bag with me, and I have measured the stuff for like all the dimensions and everything, which has been written on the airline information page. And this has no weight restrictions per se, but you have to carry yourself. So I would say just get not dump everything, and just carry as you can lightly carry a bag, right? So after packing a personal item or a laptop bag for all the electronics you're carrying, all the other stuff, now is the time to pack your additional carry-on bag. So additional carry-on bag with different airlines has different dimensions and weight restrictions. I have checked with the airlines which I am traveling. I am traveling with American Eagle, Lufthansa, and Vistara, and I have all the interconnected flights and everything. So I have checked all the dimensions of all the airlines, and this is the bag which falls pretty much in that definition. So in this carry-on baggage, what I would certainly, my mind says is, like, if you have any liquids which are under a certain quantity, like 3 fluid ounces or 100 ml or something, you should keep in this bag, because if you keep any oils or any ointments or something and it gets spilled on your checked in luggage, then all your clothes will get destroyed, or something which you are carrying, like, you know, just sweets or chocolates you're carrying for your loved ones, it will get destroyed. So here I am packing all those stuff in this bag. So let's check out. So first, as fashionista girls and all that, you have good amount of makeup, you have jewelry and everything. And when you last time when I traveled from India back to USA, and from USA to there, they asked me to take out all my jewelry, and it was similar to this kind of a pouch here which I used to put all my jewelry. But I don't think so that they were interested to see this bag. They asked me to take all the stuff from this bag and put it in a tray. So this time what I am doing is, I am putting all my jewelry and everything in a transparent Ziploc bag, which might suffice the requirements of the customs. So just like this, I have all my earrings here and my bangles here, and these are all the jewelry which is like costume jewelry or custom jewelry, whatever. I am also carrying a mirror, and I am also carrying some safety pins. So anything pointy, everything, something like that, you have to keep in a plastic Ziploc bag, which is clearly visible to them. And if they ask you to just open it, or the customs process remains very smooth when you are organizing in this kind of layout. So I have packed all my essentials like creams, conditioners, anything, creams, moisturizers, everything like this. In my second, this is a bag which my mom gave it, and I have been using it for all my travels, and it has actually been really like worn out, but still it's working. So for all my makeup stuff and everything, I've put it in a Ziploc bag and kept in it. And it has two stuff here. So all my brushes I am carrying in this kind of a thing, and all my requirements of my makeup is here. So this is pretty much it. In the second bag, this is a bag which I will be using like what do you call, a clutch. So this is kind of a clutch, but it is a very valuable clutch because it can use as a bag. And I have kept all my liquids, the body oils, the all body oils and anything liquid which I have in mine is intact here. And I'm also carrying some Tide pens to remove any stains and everything. So all this stuff which I need for my stay and my personal hygiene stuff is in here. And I'm also carrying one additional pair of at least 1.5 day of my clothes, and it is again ziplocked and sealed. And this is how, like, if I have to change in between my flights, or I have to just take a shower when I am in a lounge, I can have one pair of clothing to just change, because the travels are not just 8 hours or 10 hours or something, it is more than 24 hours. So let's put the clothes in the end of this, which is just like a backup clothing. Now let's put this, because we will be using all these stuff, and this, and one more thing is here, and we will put this over here. And I am carrying one empty bag like this, just for the sake, because sometimes I like these kind of sling bags with the things for just carrying around and roaming around the streets when you are traveling. So I am carrying, this is all empty, and I have just put all this here, and this is it. And so how I have packed is like the things which I might be called up for checking, or so I don't know how to show you. So I've kept all my bags which has all the jewelries and the liquids and everything on top of this bag. So if anyone asks me to take it out, I will be having handy with me. So this is how you pack. I am yeah, I am all set here, and this bag is done. I think it might be weighing more than at least 20 pounds something. Yeah, it is heavy, but it still has some room, so it's not that stuff. So this you can tie up here, and this has, and we are done. I would highly request you to go ahead and check this if you are beginner travelers, or do you travel a lot like me. So this will be very much handy.